Limits, understanding concept. Show that limit x approaching 0 for 1 over x does not exist. Well, it is possible that at times limits may not exist, and this is one of those examples. So let's try to understand this. So 1 over x, let's try to plot a graph for 1 over x. It looks like what? It looks like this, right? So 1 over x is a graph like this, where these points are -1, -1, this is 1, 1, right? This is -1, -1. And as x approaches 0 from negative side, then the function approaches negative infinity. So what we are trying to see here is that as x approaches 0 from the left side, minus means left side, then this function f of x approaches negative infinity. It does not approach a fixed value. It approaches negative infinity. And as x approaches 0 from the positive side, that means from this side, right? Then f of x approaches positive infinity. Since f of x does not approach a point from both the sides, we say that the limit of function does not exist. Correct? So that is how we know that limit of this function, limit x approaches 0 for 1 over x, does not exist. Even otherwise, when you plug in 0 here, you get 1 over 0, which is not defined. So it is not a real number. Therefore, we can say that limit of function 1 over x does not exist at x equals to 0, right? It exists at some other points, right? Any other point in the domain, but it does not exist at x equals to 0, right? The reason is when we approach 0 from left side and from right side, we approach different values which are undefined. We don't approach the same value, correct? So that is why limit of this function does not exist at x equals to 0. Thank you.